and then IP default gateway.
It's 172.31.6.40.
41, right?
Yep.
172.31.6.41. Thank you. So we have the remote, we have the range for the PCs, we have the trunk going back. I think this one is done. Everybody have that? Let's do an end. Let's do a copy running config startup config, please.
Who's the default gateway again?
41.
Yeah, 41.
It has to have a hyphen somewhere right there.
Alrighty. Any questions?
What was that middle part?
What's that?
Okay,
Ah,
and
comedy.
The whole thing.
Robert,
Yeah.
we're going to be setting up the other,
We have to end,
the DS2 and the AS2.
No.
On the
You
other
gotta give
side-
it one other IP address.
Yeah, we have to do another range for those, don't we?
No, you give another IP address within it.
Okay.
So instead of actually using like the 37 or whatever we just
That's what you're saying.
yeah, you just give it one higher.
And we can use the
Same gateway,
we
yeah.
Use the same V lanes.
Yeah, because you're the same. You're on the same. You're the same within LAN.
Right.
Say that again?
Megauto.
Oh,
we do the other
yeah,
side?
Yeah,
okay,
you
'cause we're
just
using the
can't-
fa-
you
we're
just
using
can't
the
give-
fast Ethernet ports, not the
Yeah,
serial
you can't give the VLAN 50 on the other side of 46. You got to give it 47.
Okay.
One in the range on the
Right.
block.
No, I understand that.
Yeah.
It's just that we use the fast Ethernet on the router instead of the serial ports on the router,
Exactly. You're using 0.1.
so they're all staying within the same LAN.
Correct. Does everybody have it saved?
Yep.
Okay. So now we're gonna make sure our workstations get everything via DHCP, but we haven't set up. Like I said, we're not going to do it anymore on the router. So tomorrow's topic is going to be actually. So that's pretty much today what I wanted to get done on this side. So I just want to make sure before I discuss tomorrow's topics, do we have any questions? Do we have any questions? Yeah, they're all up. Yeah, SSH today. So we did that. I guess we could give one of our workstations. Let's do that real fast. Let's give our workstation. Let's give workstation 1. Everybody go to workstation 1 real fast, so we can test it. You always want to verify your work. So go to workstation 1. Is everybody on workstation 1?
Yeah.
Let's go with the desktop. Let's go to IP configuration. Keep it static. What's the workstations? 172.31.0, right?
Yeah.
We already used the .1, so let's go ahead and put the .2 there. Statically. Subnet mask is 255.255.252. Is that correct? .0.
Correct.
And the default gateway is valid subnet address. 255.255.252.0. There you go. Let's mistype it. Then the gateway is 172.31.0.1. Is that correct?
Yep.
There is no DNS server, so we're going to do the loop back 172.0.0.1. What that means is if you don't have a DNS server and you type in 127.0.0.1, remember that the workstation is using itself as the DNS server. It resolves itself. Makes it very sluggish and slow, but for a simulator, it's not too bad until we get the DNS server set up. Okay? Does everybody have that?
Yep.
Just close the IP config window, just the window, and let's open up a command prompt on WS1. Does everybody have that? Let's do SSH space -L, and then rmore for me. So for me, it's rmore, whatever you're username is
SSH
space dash L lowercase l space your username. In my case, it's rmore space and let's do 172.31.0.1, which is the gateway of this particular workstation, and it should actually open and say password. And then Cisco, and then you should be on CR1.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. You exit. It gets you back to the PC, right? Exit. Try a telnet. Try telnet 172.31.0.1, which is the same thing, but with this time with a telnet session, and it actually say trying to connect, but connection was closed by foreign host. Okay. So no go.
Yeah.
Okay, so that verifies that our SSH is what? Is activated and working and doing what it's supposed to. We'll leave that statically right now. We'll change it to DHCP tomorrow. So here's what we're going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow we're setting up a secure DHCP server. Okay? That's going to be one of our exercises. And we're going to make sure that the ports on the switches only accept the devices that are workstations or servers or network printers. Does that make sense? So it's called port security. So tomorrow we've got two topics, port security and DHCP, securing DHCP.
So today's topic for SSH.
Yep.
Tomorrow's port security. What else?
Well, we only could do one today because we had so much pre-work to do. But tomorrow we're doing port security on the switches. Port security is only a switching technology. Port security, only a switching technology. So we're doing port security and we're doing DHCP, securing DHCP.
Port security is like just that computer can access that port, that's it, period, right?
Period.
Nobody else, some plugs into it? It's on the test, everyone else plugs in, you're not getting in.
Correct. That is
Well,
correct.
that'd be MAC address, right?
Yep, sticky.
Sticky.
Yep,
Yeah,
sticky.
yeah.
Yep. It's part sticky.
That was one of the answers, yeah.
Yeah.
But the mail was-
And DHCP and securing DHCP, Dynamic Host Control Protocol. Very important to secure that. You guys did a good job for the first time back. I know it was a little fast, but not bad. Get it back into the mode. Are there any questions? Close everything if there are no questions. Make sure you save this topology.
Would there be a reason why my workstation 2 is red?
Shouldn't be.
That's what I thought. I mean, I looked at. I mean, the only command that would make it red would be the.
Shut down. That's it.
Security 2.
Yeah, no, I know, security one actually. Yeah, we never. It could be in a loop, because your topology could hang. You may want to save it and close it and open up again. See if that brings it back, because sometimes it hangs. Did it just happen?
Well, no. When I exited out,
I'm like-
I noticed that it was
Nice to know you.
red, and then we
Did you
did
do
that. We
a-
did the
I'm like
telnet.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah, it could
I'll
be-
give you
it could
the
be-
one.
Nice to know you,
I
Robert.
don't, I erased every password.
WS1
Joe
is
did.
fine.
You got in?
That's
Yeah, I
why
got in.
I
At the end of the class.
Well, now I restart the computer, it comes up as.
Hey, make sure you guys save this topology.
All right.
No,
Good idea.
don't tell me what
For
to do.
both, I think I have to go home.
You didn't do that?
Battery.
That's your problem, Dan. Make sure you put it in a place where you can find it too, Dan.
Well, I won't lose the whole CMOS, right?
What?
That's what you're really calling this.
I'm gonna try to have him reset the
Trap.
password now. But I
Yeah,
can't- I might have to-
save it,
It keeps asking.
and
the
then
password.
open it, the whole topology.
No,
Because
let me
sometimes
in.
it'll get stuck.
So I think if he can't get it to go.
So here's how I would save it, guys.
I flipped
CCNA
it to the
underscore
battery.
security
Put it back in. Put a new password.
underscore one
I don't know how to do that again.
underscore topology
But I'll take the top one.
Underscore.
underscore your last name.
Topology.
There you go. CCNA underscore security underscore one underscore topology last name.
Dumped a bunch of crap out.
Make sure you put it in a place you can find it. So CCNA underscore security underscore one underscore topology and your last name.
What?
No air conditioning control
What
in
this?
place
Oh.
in this room? It's really warm in here, huh?
Just put it on here.
I'll let her know. I'll make sure she'll. I'll make sure she gets it squared away. She still across the room?
Everybody should now put the bathing suit on and go for a nice swim.
No, it doesn't look like it.
Okay, I'll make sure she does though, Dan.
You're
I
joking, right?
apologize. I thought it would be on, but
It's like 400 little kids in there.
make sure it's saved,
No,
everybody.
they're-
Make sure it's saved.
Dave.
I don't want to have to recreate this from scratch.
No, and this is weird because everything else, I just closed it and opened it back up, right? And
Ah.
everything else is now orange and green, and that one is still red.
Oh my God! Don't tell me that.
Probably it should.
When I first did the topology, I'm pretty sure it was all green. I don't know what
Why
happened
does
when
this
I
look like
switched it
this?
over.
This
Maybe
looks a
tap that
mess.
new hard drive, Dave.
Let me see a second.
Didn't notice that.
Maybe
You know what I
it's-
mean? I just shut it off and now it's still
Mm.
No, 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 no,
Teacher
no.
can answer. Operator teacher.
He's a teacher man.
Oh, yeah, you know what? I thought you were
Yeah,
friends.
the hard drive, the hope just sitting in the mudroom.
I guess I was wrong, huh?
So maybe did time count this thing out
Forget
and
how I
pull
work
one
with
in.
friends.
That's true. Alex doesn't
Oh, that's
know
the right
all
one.
sorts.
Okay, good.
That's weird. Let's kill that whole.
Right, check
it. Alright. Yes.
let's kill
Alright,
this
check out the
up.
kids, nobody changed the password.
Let's see that.
How many of those?
We saved.
Lord, yeah.
I didn't try that. I did try using the